How to draw a ball. By Liliana Bradley. For supplies, you'll need some paper, pencils, a smudger, I made this one out of some paper, and something round you can use to trace your sphere. I start out by tracing my little bowl. It's important to have a perfect circle to start with, or no matter how good your shading is, it'll still look no bueno. Then of course I start drawing the cast shadow. This is what most people think of when they think of a shadow on the wall, but you'll learn pretty soon that this is by no means the only shadow, it is one of a lot. Then I gently erase the lines I just worked so hard on. This way the ball won't turn out cartoony looking with an outline around everything. I leave it just light enough so you can faintly see it. Next I start drawing the core shadow. This is the shadow that the ball makes on itself. It should have a diagonal curve and be about halfway between the highlight on the top of the ball and the cast shadow below the ball. I then slowly blend this up lighter and lighter, leaving a small circle of white untouched for the highlight. Then I draw our third shadow, a reflection of the cast shadow reflected up onto the ball's surface. Between these two shadows, I blend once again. Once I have the basics of my ball all sketched out, I go back over it with a slightly softer pencil, darkening up the core shadow and adding some more depth. Then with that same soft pencil, I fill in our cast shadow. This is all pretty much one dark shade of gray, getting slightly lighter around the edges. Then I do some finishing touches, making the blending a little more seamless and less choppy. Once I get it as good as I can with a pencil, I go over everything with my blender. Try to blend in little circular movements. And finally we're done. It takes a little practice and I'm a little rusty myself, but here's the finished product.